Greetings, friends. Watch refrigeration news for Wednesday, October 27, 2021 on our channel. European HVAC&R market, post-pandemic trends and key challenges. Macleod adds first carrier Transicold Vector He19 mount units. AEFYT renews its commitment to training with the Refrigeration Workshop in C&R. Climalife unveils its new visual identity. So, first news today. European HVAC&R market, post-pandemic trends and key challenges. Eurovon Market Intelligence has published its special annual report on the HVAC&R industry in 2021. Rather qualitative, the report mainly investigates the post-pandemic situation of the market by product, country, and application, including the 5-year forecasts, 2020 to 2024, for each subchapter, as well as the main market drivers and challenges. The main information in this report is a synthesis of qualitative survey results from the HVAC&R manufacturers, 203 respondents from 19 countries, interviews conducted with professionals in the HVAC&R sector, macroeconomic data, and EMI database. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. Macleod adds first carrier Transicold Vector He19 mount units. Macleod has taken delivery of its first 2 carrier Transicold Vector He19 mount, multi-temperature units, in a move to improve fleet sustainability and reduce noise on its delivery routes. The new carrier Transicold Vector He19 mount units are mounted to 13.6 meter gray and Adams trailers and represent additions to a 100-strong trailer fleet, of which 30 are refrigerated. Celebrating its 40th anniversary this year, Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. AEFYT renews its commitment to training with the Refrigeration Workshop in C&R. AEFYT, Association of Cold Companies and Their Technologies, renews its commitment to training in the framework of the C&R show, which is held between November 16 and 19 under the slogan AEFYT, Together We Create Well-Being and AEFYT, with which it has become one of the great value-added activities of the fair, the Refrigeration Workshop. The association organizes these training sessions together with the Macleod Cold Technology and Air Conditioning Training Center in Madrid. Read more the news on our website today. Fourth news today. Climalife unveils its new visual identity. Climalife unveils its new visual identity, a new direction for a better value proposition. Since 1874, Climalife has been the specialist in thermodynamics and technical fluids for the refrigeration and air conditioning industry. In 2021, brand expanded its scope and now includes the DeHaan Group's fine chemicals offer. Climalife strengthened its position as leader in working fluids and associated services. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Join Refrigeration Group on Facebook and LinkedIn. Please find the links below.